Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the platform into a clean state. This fixes most slow motion causes. Power cycle your console or restart your PC, then quit overlays, streaming apps, and background recorders so CPU and GPU regain headroom. Update the game and your GPU drivers because outdated drivers cause frame pacing issues. Once done, set the display to 60 Hz and choose exclusive full screen when possible. This reduces input lag and prevents frame timing conflicts that create slow motion effects. You now tune graphics and driver settings to stop uneven frame delivery. In the game options, choose exclusive full screen and lock the game to 60 FPS or disable VSync. VSync can create stutter that looks like slow motion. Reduce heavy settings, shadows, motion blur, ambient occlusion, because uneven GPU load causes frame drops. In your GPU control panel, set the power profile to maximum performance and disable frame smoothing or application frame limiter. Since you finish by validating and testing the fixes so the slow motion is gone for good. Verify or repair game files, remove any mods, and reboot. Corrupted assets or third-party tweaks often break timing. Run a single-player match while monitoring FPS with an overlay to confirm steady 60 frames. If the problem continues, roll back to a previous GPU driver or, on console, rebuild the database. If nothing else works, reinstall the game, but first back up your saves to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.